Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Facebook and confirming you're signed into the correct account. This avoids searching the wrong profile. On mobile, tap the circular profile icon at the top right. On desktop, click your name in the header. Once on your profile, look for the Photos tab beneath your cover photo and select it. This directs you straight to albums and uploads so you can find photos without scrolling through the feed. Make sure the view switches to your photos for items you uploaded. Once you're in Photos, use the filters. Albums, Photos of you, and your photos. Choose your photos to see uploads only. Make sure to switch sorting options where available so you can jump to recent uploads or specific date ranges. If you remember a month, scroll to that section. Open an image to check its upload date, captions, and location metadata. This helps confirm it's the file you need. If you use desktop, right-click to open in New tab for faster comparisons. To finish, decide whether to download, move, or edit privacy. Click the three-dot menu on a photo to download, add to album, or change audience. This secures or organizes the image. If you need multiple files, use the album view for bulk actions. If a photo is missing, check your activity log and archived posts. Sometimes items were hidden or removed. If you still can't find it, clear cache, try a different device, or check any connected apps that might have uploaded the photo.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.